How to reset your AnyDesk password if you forgot it. So if you cannot log into AnyDesk because you have forgotten your password, then in this video I'm gonna show you how you can recover your AnyDesk account if you have lost access to your password. So first of all, open up any browser that you are using and search My AnyDesk and go over to official website of AnyDesk, myanydesk.com. Now here you will get two options, My AnyDesk I and My AnyDesk Second I. So you have to select on the AnyDesk where you have your account on. So in this case, my account comes under AnyDesk Second I, and if you are still not migrated to AnyDesk Second I, then here you can click on Login to My AnyDesk I, and here you can click on Forgot Your Password and you can proceed. Now let me select AnyDesk Second I. So let's click on Login to My AnyDesk Double I. Now as you have forgotten password of your AnyDesk account, here you will have Forgot Password option. So click on Forgot Password, and that will bring you to AnyDesk account recovery page. Now here you have to enter the email address that you have forgotten password of. Now once you put the email address correctly, now here click on send recovery mail. Now you will receive an email from AnyDesk with instructions on how to reset your password and recover your account. So check your email inbox. And here you can see this is the mail I got from AnyDesk to reset my password, and this link will expire in 30 minutes. So make sure you take action on it as soon as possible. Now once you got this mail to reset your AnyDesk password, here click on click here. And now you can set a new password for your AnyDesk account. So here first create a strong password which should be at least 8 characters with at least one uppercase, one lowercase and one numerical character. Once you entered a strong password, now under it repeat that password. And then at the bottom right, click on set password. And now you will be logged into your AnyDesk account. And that's it, that's how you can reset your AnyDesk password and recover your AnyDesk account. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment. And if you want to control your PC from your mobile phone using AnyDesk, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.